Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will guide you through the process of replacing the motor in your Dyson SV17 vacuum cleaner. This task requires some specific tools and a bit of patience, but with our step-by-step instructions, you'll have your vacuum running like new in no time. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a T15 Torx driver. You can find these tools at any hardware store or online. Start by ensuring your vacuum is unplugged. Safety first. Now, flip the vacuum over to access the base. You will see several screws that need to be removed. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully take out the screws and place them in a safe location. Next, you'll want to gently detach the base plate. If it's stuck, use your flathead screwdriver to pry it loose carefully. Once the base plate is off, you'll have access to the motor compartment. Here, you'll find the motor secured with additional screws. Using the T15 Torx driver, remove these screws. Keep track of all screws as you will need them to reassemble the vacuum later. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Be cautious of any wires connected to the motor. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can consult with us if you're unsure about any step. Now, it's time to clean the area around the motor. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. A clean environment is essential for the optimal performance of your vacuum. With the area clean, take your new motor and align it with the housing. Ensure all wires are correctly positioned and not pinched. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making this process even easier for you. Once the motor is in place, secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them carefully to ensure the motor is firmly held in place, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the components. Next, replace the base plate by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws. This part is crucial as it protects the internal components of your vacuum. Finally, check all connections and make sure everything is secure. After confirming, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test. It should run smoothly, just like it did when it was new. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and costs. And with our no calls, no travel service, you can have peace of mind knowing your vacuum is in good hands. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.